Alright, we have an early morning pre-trip before we start today. Make sure y'all do y'all pre-trips because it'll save y'all hassle before you go over the road. So, looking at my engine, make sure there's no leaks. Make sure I got proper fluid and my washer fluid is good. Make sure nothing is broken. Tires are nice and pumped. No cracks around my bolts. Nothing leaking like that. Also got my hammer just to check, and I'm a tanker, so I have certain products and airlines and clamps and hoses that I need, so just make sure I have those before, because if I get to the consignee, sometimes even a loader can't do nothing if I don't have certain things. Those are connected. My fifth wheel is locked in place. No leaks, nothing is broken. Gotta check these back tires. No weird sounds. Landing gear is up. Back tires, same thing. Make sure your lights are working as well. So far my lights are working. I have my flaps, lights back here are working, lights up there. I have the correct trailer. Make sure I have some product hoses. Good. Over there. Good over there. Check these tires out. Bolts are good shape. I have oil in those. Lights are working. Flaps on the back of my trailer and my truck. Lights are working. Check these tires. Bolts not broken. Right. Close this. Lights are working. Any leaks under my truck? No leaks under my truck. Gas tank isn't leaking. Don't hear no leaks from my airline. My electrical plug socket is working. Tires are good. No leaks, no bolt cracks. My bolts are on. Have no leaks. My coolant is at the level because it's been hot, my truck, but everything else is check in order. My headlights work. I have no signs, no lights on my dash, so that's all good in order. So hopefully this video was useful to y'all. Make sure y'all like this video. If you have any questions, comment and help show some support, and subscribe to my channel. I will be uploading more content for y'all to look at and stuff like that, so be on the lookout.